Hey, Silver Tubers, it's Mr. Z coming to you from the Silver Pouring Bench. I got a couple of packages in the mail today. Wanted to do a couple unboxings. The first one is from Silver Vessel. Silver Vessel and I did a trade. I saw his new pour, and I just had to have one because it was awesome. So, I'm going to unbox his first. The second one, I have no idea what's in it. I didn't expect it, so that's always, oh, I feel peanuts. Oh man, what is it with the Metals Mafia guys and peanuts? I don't even know who started the peanut craze, but we have peanuts. So let's see what we got here. We got a note here from Silver Vessel, and it says, Zeke, we go way back, my friend. I am honored to finally be able to pour you something for a change. Thanks for the trade, bud. I hope you like it. Vessel. Oh, and look at the cute little Christmas at the bottom. That's so precious. Such a good guy. You know, Vessel and Shiny Package, just a couple of characters. Lots of fun. And I am super, super excited to get this bar. I've waited and waited and waited patiently for Vessel to get his act together and get off the couch and start pouring, and so he did. He's got, in typical, I'm going to get a white background here because it's got a black bag and black, let's zoom this in a little bit here. Black bag. And so we've got the Silver Vessel COA. He's got the Metals Mafia logo on there, and he's got the Vessel. Golly, that's beautiful. And Silver Vessel Certificate of Authenticity, the handcrafted logo bar. 999 fine silver, polished and stamped by Silver Vessel. Look at that signature. It's 4.1 ounces. And a kind thank you in the corner. So, let's get this thing out of here. I want to see this. Oh, that is high relief. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. That is awesome. That is everything I hoped it would be. It's got that rustic look to it. Zoom out a little. There we go. It's got that rustic look to it. The ship, the seas are just churning. That is beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. He's got everything stamped here. 4.1 ounces Troy. This is number 4. He's serializing them. He's got his Vessel stamp on there. 999 fine silver. This is going to go in the shadow box on my pouring bench for the time being. It's going to fit in there just perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. And so I've got my little stand. Put that in there. And now every time I look down there, I'll think of my buddy Vessel. That is so awesome. Thank you so much for doing that trade with me. Really appreciate it. You've been a huge supporter, and it's the least I can do to say thank you. And that's going to sit on my pouring, on my little studio bench here for the time being. I'm going to put it right over here, and I'll zoom up so everybody can kind of see what's on the bench. I'm going to pan up a little bit. Camera work. Here we go. There we go. So I've got my picture of Edinburgh back there. I've got my Silver Vessel, and I've got I picked up some Silver Monarchs rounds. The Monarch round. Picked up some of those this weekend. And then just various assorted pours and bars. So, that's unboxing number 1. I knew that was coming. Put that COA behind here. So when that does make it into the box, the community box, I will put that COA with it. Thank you again, my good friend. So, such a wonderful, wonderful community. And this other one comes from me from the Man in Black. And I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to tear it open. Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to cut it open, but I'm going to be very careful. It's a big, fluffy package. And I had no idea this was coming. I have no idea what this is. And so, it is... I honestly don't know. It's some pouches and some sealers and a bunch of these foam packaging slips and lots of these bubble wrap. Oh, he says, welcome back to the silver pouring bench, Mr. Zeke. Here are some supplies for you from the Man in Black. What a thoughtful gesture. All kinds of bags. Look at that. Zoom out here so we can see. We've got black bags. We've got mesh bags. I've never seen these mesh bags before. We've got a bunch of flips. You never have too many flips. That's one thing I've learned. I find myself struggling to find flips. These are cool. I've never seen these before. Velcro. They've got Velcro on them. And they're little zipper pouches. Look at that. You can throw your silver in there, zip it up, and Velcro it to the inside of the safe. It's something special you want to keep separate. Well, I really, really, really appreciate that, my friend. My friend in black. You are the man. Thank you. It's just been a wonderful night. All this stuff that, we take for granted, but, we take it for granted right up until it's not there. So, thanks a lot, Man in Black. I appreciate it. And Silver Vessel, you demand. I appreciate everybody out there watching. And I guess while I got a captive audience-ish, I'll show off a few things. I was going to show them on GPO's chat tonight, but I guess I'll go ahead and show them now. I've been playing with a new toy. I wanted to try to do a different finish on some of the poured bars. And basically what it is it's a brushed finish, but the Tree of Life is still high polished. See if I can get this to show up. There we go. The Tree of Life is still a high finish polish, almost like a proof, where the tree is polished, but the rest of the bar is a matte finish. Just experimenting with this. You can still see the pour lines. Here's a 2 ounce where it's stamped in a different one, and this is a hammered, but like I said, the tree is still polished, and the rest of the bar is a matte finish. So, and that's a 1.8 ounce. And then I did one where I just thought I would pour just a basic Kit Kat with the old stamp and then just brush the whole thing. And this one's a 3.29 ounce pour. But I'm playing with that brush finish. I really like it because you can handle it and you don't get fingerprints. But it's still silver. So anyway, just some ideas that I've been playing with. And I want to say thanks again to Man in Black for all the supplies for the pouring bench. Never have enough supplies. And thanks again to Silver Vessel for hooking me up with my my Vessel signature pour. Look at that. Antiqued. That just fits perfect in the shadow box. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. All right, everybody. Mr. Zeke from the Silver Pouring Bench. Hope everybody has a wonderful night, and I hope to catch up with you on Mike GPO's chat later tonight. Cheers, everybody.